Learn English. Hello everyone. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary School. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Tuesday, January 13th. Show number 13. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 means a lot of something. Number 2 means to start something. For example, the television. Please listen and write this in your notebook. I have a ton of books. I have a ton of books. Ton. We also say, I have a lot of books. It means you have very many books. Now let's make a flashcard for ton. Please make a card like this. Up in the top corner, please write ton, T-O-N. We have 2 ways to use it. We say a ton of rice. We also say tons of rice. Down in this corner, please write N1. This means noun, level 1. Over in this corner, the number. 180 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Ton. What about you? Do you have a ton of books or only a few? Let me know in the comments. Now let's do word number 2 for today. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob will turn the TV on. Bob will turn the TV on. He will turn the TV on. He will make the TV begin to operate. Now let's make a flashcard for to turn something on. These are a little bit difficult. We have 3 ways to use them. To turn something on, to turn on something, and to turn it on. Please write all 3 forms on your card. Down in the bottom left corner, please write STI1. This means separable 2-word idioms, level 1. Over in the bottom right corner, please write the number 8 out of 8. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Turn. On. Game over. Today we learned a ton of books. What do you have a ton of? Let me know in the comments. We also learned to turn something on. Yeah. What do you turn on every day? Let me know in the comments. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is something you put on your face to make you look different. Number 2 is a person that can see into the future. And number 3 is when you're sleeping and you make noise. Like that when you're sleeping. Okay, bye-bye everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. My name is Vinny from Canada.